Hello guys, today we are going to install JDK in our system. To do so, first go to Google and search for JDK. Now from the first link you go to the page of Oracle. So we have to download this Java platform JDK 8 update 51. So download, then click on the accept license agreement and select your operating systems from here. In this case my operating system is Windows 64-bit, that's why I am choosing this. Sorry for my slow internet. Oops. So start download, and I am pausing this video. When the downloads completed, I will again start. So our download is completed. Let's install it. In most of the software we install in our daily life, we need to just install the software and it's done. But for Java we have to install the software, that means the JDK, Java Development Kit, and we also need to specify or locate the environment of it. For example, you are installing a thing and you are telling the operating system that with your functionality add this functionality too. So that is why we have to set up the environment. So let's get started. So we are opening it. Yeah. Next, you can change the default directory over here, but it is not needed. It is your personal preference, and how you can configure your computer, it depends upon you. Waiting, still working on it. It is taking so much of time, so wait until it's done. Now we are done with JDK, and now we are installing JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. As Java is a very popular device, as you can see here, 3 billion devices run Java. This can be computer, printer, router, cell phones. So learning Java is a very great thing in itself. So it widely uses Java. In everywhere you can use Java. Java is made using this concept in his head. Okay. So what is next? Close. So we have just installed the JDK software. Now we have to set the environment. So go to your desktop, right click on the my computer or in this PC, go to properties. From here go advanced system settings, then environment variables. In this tab you find out a variable name called path. If it is not here, from clicking on this new, you create one, or if it exists already, that means it had already some paths. So you need to do some modification over it. Okay, so just go to end by pressing the end key on your keyboard, put a semicolon and go to your installation directory where your Java installs. So that is from C, program files, Java, get into the JDK, then bin. Right click here and copy address as text. Copy this address and paste it over after this semicolon. Hit OK, OK, OK. To check whether your Java is correctly installed, your environment setup is correctly done or not, go to command prompt and type Java space hyphen version. If it gets the output that Java version is equals to something 1.8.0 underscore 51, that means your JRE is installed perfectly. And to compile you need JDK. So how to check JDK is installed or not? That means the main Java environment which we have done, which we have fixed in the path variable. So use Java C, that means Java compile. We use this command to compile a Java code, then give a space hyphen and version. So it will give you the Java version, that means the compiler version. If it is not giving anything, or some it is saying that Java C is not recognizable, so that means you had done some mistakes over the setting up the environment. So let's check it and solve this problem. So this is for today, guys. If you like this video, then press the like button, subscribe my channel. It will help me to make more and more videos. So till then, bye guys.